Jesus. Okay, let's have a rip with the Air 65. Let's fly straight up from there. See if you can see. Oh, hit that battery hard then. Well, chickened out, try to get through the arch again. Let's see if I can get. No, trying to get a power loop and come back through again. I just lose where I am when I go through. Okay, let's try again. Oh, wait. Nearly. My power loops are so high and so big. With the whoops, I'm trying to get them smaller. How do I make them smaller? See, so fast. I must be accelerating at the wrong time, I reckon. 3.2. Probably just got one more attempt. Yeah, look at that speed I'm coming through. No way of controlling that. Okay, we're at 3. Let's bring it back. Let's just see how far we can go with this. Telemetry recovered. Just gonna head over there through the gaps in that building. Oh yeah, pretty good. Oops. Okay, let's try and power loop and get back through. Should be able to do this. I've just got to try and work out how to organize that top section. Right. Here we go. Power loop, back through again. That was better. I let off the juice at the top. That was not better. Okay. Didn't go over it then. Just went straight up. Okay. Better. Does that count? I don't think so, but let's try again. Ah, that definitely doesn't count. Whoa! Right. Nope. Still coming down way too much speed. Nope. Okay. That was not bad. That was not bad. Come on. All right. Back. Oh, we've broken that. We've broken the canopy thing. That wasn't bad. That was a lot of height. Okay, let's go through. Power loop back through. Oh, stop. Nearly. All right. We're getting closer to it, but still way too much power, I think. There we go. Oh, yeah. But that was probably the best one yet. Oh. Right. Control it. Less throttle. No, not enough throttle. Oh, I went through my legs as well. Jesus. That nearly went through as well. That was nearly the best one. Okay, definitely got some work to do on that. We have this canopy that's broken, so I'm going to have to replace that. I think a spare came in the packet, so that's okay. But I definitely need to work on the throttle control on those power loops.